Good morning, friends. I guess you're wondering, what is she doing today? So today I am going to share a science experiment with you. Remember when Miss Rosie was reading the science books and I showed you the big picture with the science museum? And science is about learning new stuff. It's about investigating and learning new stuff. Don't you want to learn new stuff? I sure do. Okay, so the name of this experiment is, how do clouds make rain? So would you like to know how clouds make rain? I sure do. When you look up into the sky and you see those beautiful white clouds, what do you think? So the way that clouds make rain is when water droplets and ice crystals continue to collect in a cloud, they get heavier and heavier. Then they become too heavy to float in the air. Water droplets will fall to the earth as rain. So let's see how clouds create rain. All right, friends, so you need a jar of water. You gotta fill it almost to the top. Some shaving cream and some blue food coloring, okay? And I put it in here and you will see why. So I'm gonna take and put some shaving cream like this, and you're going to turn and turn because it's easier to turn it, and put the clouds in there. This is the clouds, okay? So after I do that, I'm going to take my blue food coloring and I'm going to put it in here. And I'm going to drop just a little bit, because if you put too much, then it'll be too heavy, the clouds. And the rain is coming. Let me show you, friends. Look at the rain. Can you see it? It's falling down, but I'm going to put some more so you can see the rain coming down. Let's put a little bit more. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. So here goes the rain, and it's coming down, and it's coming down. Do you see that? Look at that. So what I want you to do at home, I want you to tell mommies and daddies to help you make rain. Got it? Got it. See you tomorrow, friends.